I'm Laurent Salama, and I'm broadcasting from Warsaw, where I'm together with my company IKEA Centers, attending the CEE Awards. And this event is quite important for us as we are quite active in terms of both IKEA stores and shopping centers in the region. And it has been a tradition, after all, to participate to that event. And we meet a lot of retailers and a lot of colleagues from the industry. And we expect to have a nice both evening and day in the industry. So yeah, we are happy to be here and represent the company IKEA Centers. And thank you very much.